Boom. We just like to play these little gags down here at Scoop School. Thanks for joining us on this episode. Getting quite up close and personal. Product that I really like. Look, I'm not endorsing it, they're not paying me, but I find that we use this a lot in our marketing and it might help you as well. Do want to thank our episode sponsor, Mitch and the crew at Frozen Solutions. Do a great job color changing spoons, color changing cups, basically cups, spoons, napkins, printed, custom design, the whole kit and caboodle. FrozenSolutions.com, the link is down below. Thank you, Mitch, for allowing us to bring this content to our customers and support Mitch and all of our supply members. They do a great job in supporting the podcast. Well, it's not really a podcast, supporting the videos. Okay, so like many businesses, we do a lot of stuff on Instagram, we do a lot of stuff on video-based stuff, and the one product that I really like is this kind of mechanical turntable. We actually have two of them. I ordered two. I like to have a backup. This little guy actually has a rechargeable battery in it. This one does not. You actually have to have this one plugged in. But we've spoken a little bit before about a light box, and you can buy a light box relatively inexpensively on Amazon or a lot of other web-based shopping services. But this is a nice addition to what you want to do. And it has a little bit of functionality, which is good. 3 buttons here. I press on this one here and it starts the rotation, so I can put my, let's say, ice cream cone on here. It rotates relatively slowly. I can click this button again and it rotates differently. You can click this button down here and it changes the speed. You can slow it down, you can speed it up. And this button in the middle, interestingly enough, almost does like a boomerang type deal where it kind of turns from one side, stops, and then turns back to the other. So if you've got a product, so let's say for example, we've got this waffle cone zone mint waffle cone flavoring here. I can do just a little bit of a promo on it. I can have it rotating in the store behind a case here. If I don't want it rotating kind of back and forth like that, I just hit this other little button here and it'll just continue to rotate around. Again, we use it for video, we use it for some quick clips on Instagram, but you could also use one of these things basically in behind your sneeze guard here with a featured sundae or a container or a pint container or something, because that movement, the color really attracts people's attention. We're going to put a link to this one in the video description down below, so you can just click on the Amazon link and buy it yourself. We don't get any commission from it, but again, do some research. I did like this one. It seemed to hold a little bit more weight. It was a bit more sturdy, but did not have a battery in it, so you always had to have it plugged in. And then a lot of times where you want to do some photography or videoing, the cord is a bit of a pain in the backside. You can put anything on this, so you can put maybe one of your featured sundaes on here and it kind of have it rotate around there. It's pretty cool. Inexpensive, nice little tool that we use for marketing. I think it's one of the things that you need to have in your marketing arsenal. Basically your little marketing kit where, hey, this week we're going to promote this sundae, this flavor, this product. You should have a light box like this. You should have some lights on the outside. Using your camera phone's fine. You don't need to use a whiz-bang camera like we use down here. But again, this tool will kind of help you in the process. Hope it helps. Let us know what you use to do your photography with. We'd love to be able to share that with those who also watch the channel. And look, as always, if you have any problems, you need some consulting, you need a bit of a third eye on your business, we're happy to help here at Scoop School. Drop us a line. Thank you again to Mitch and the crew at Frozen Solutions. Again, the link is down below. Keep on scooping. See you in the next video.